How to replace an 8-slot station with a faulty motherboard. First, unplug the power cord, turn the station to the back and you will see 6 screws used. For fixing, unscrew them, and pick up the back cover to see the module and motherboard. Unscrew the 3 screws on the module, then gently remove them upwards. Then, remove the backlight source cable and speaker cable on the other side. Next, remove the power indicator light ribbon cable. Open the black small buckles on both sides to remove them. Then, take out the motor cables one by one. Unscrew the 16 screws on the motherboard. Remove the faulty motherboard. Take out a new motherboard and install it. Put the screws back in place. Connect the motor wires in sequence, with white on the outside and red on the inside. Compact them. And then connect the speaker wire, backlight source wire, and indicator light strip wire. Install the module. Install the back cover, and finally connect the power cord to use it normally.